But it's been done. It's been done since last week, remember?
Yeah, I know.
No.
I don't even know which one is which, bro.
Just let me get both of them, whatever. You know, we here on the range. Yeah.
You and your pictures, huh?
You already know. Matter of fact, where's your phone? Where's your phone?
Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
My customers to subscribe to my YouTube, man. I gotta get them. But look, we here, y'all, with the 2018 Range Rover, man. We here with this one, man. And I ain't doing nothing complicated because we ain't trying to get crazy, but we get it right here. Look at that, y'all. Bad brakes, bad rotor. What? Thank you. Yeah, that's it. That's good. All right. So.
It fits?
Yeah, it fits.
I'm sure. It came with the car.
Came with the wheel. All right. We're going to talk about that later.
It was kind of like in it?
No,
like
this is
in
it.
the rotor?
Yeah, this is it. The brake, look at it. The brake is straight metal. It's grinding into the rotor already. That's the reason why you need a new one. Okay. Biggest issue is this piece. Yeah, it's okay. This is going to be the biggest problem, which I'm going to try to take out now. Let's see. All right, we're here, y'all. So, Torx 54 was a bolt that we needed first, and now we can go out and take out the brake caliper, 13 millimeter on the back. So, man, two minds are better than one. Fucking, this is crazy. So I gotta push these back still? I think I still do. It just released the brake, but I still gotta push these back with the brake kit. That's the crazy thing.
How do you push it back?
Nah, it's a piece that I gotta put in, but it's definitely sick. We got it though. So you gotta leave the car on in order to do this job. That's sick. Now we know. But if you go to any shop, they're like, ooh, this guy don't care. Look at that. It's crazy. But this is the most important thing, is that it's able to come out. It should be able to just slide out. Gotta probably hit it with a hammer. But yeah. Yeah. That'd be funny, there's a lock on the rotor too. Like, fuck out of here. Guys are crazy. Makes sense, y'all. Okay, new to old. And this electronic shit is complicated. But yeah, definitely locked. Look how stiff that. That's crazy.
You're excited. I don't know what the fuck is going on.
Nah, let's get it done. Hey guys, so another Amazon order fail. Alright. This is the rotors are too big. So they obviously the wrong rotors, probably for a different year or a different model. But they're too big. Brake pads are the same. Alright. And it took us about an hour to get where we're at right now. Brake pads are ready to go, but my friend Matt over there, he got to go to AutoZone and buy one rotor just to fix this one problem. And then I guess I'll return everything else and I guess fix the other side later, because this one's already getting down. Oh, this one is in the rotor also. Yeah, this one's done also. So I don't know what he's gonna do, but this Range Rover is not easy, and that's why they charge the big bucks to get this shit done. So it's snowing out here. It just started snowing, but nothing too crazy. There you go. There you go. Mad. But you know, one thing at a time. All right, it's never that bad, but finally got the right one. Put it in. All right, obviously it's not too big. And then this is what I was talking about with the brake calipers, which I hate. I really do. But the brakes fit. Everything is tight at this point. And what we do is get the electronic brake on, take off the brake sensor. So this is where we are.
The sensor's back in, right?
Yeah, but the sensor's only in the front. I didn't see them in the back. That's the funny thing. All right, but here we go, man. Something new with these Ranges, man. Something definitely new with these Ranges.
Got the key, bro?
Oh yeah, hold on. I want to back up the other corners. All right, guys, so job done. Range is gone. Rotors is good. Brakes are good. They had a calibration. They wanted us to calibrate the e-brake. Once he drove it around the block, he said the calibration went away. So that did that. But I still got to focus on brake pads worn or fault on the brake pad. I got to figure that out. It could be the sensor, but I didn't see any sensor when I did it. But maybe he broke off the sensor because it was already down to the metal anyways. But it's done, man. Another job done real quick. You see everything's on me. But I should just park. Let me just park this shit. Hold on. Parking the truck, but they gave me a couple of different things. I learned a lot. You know, I never did a Range or a Land Rover before, and I did Jaguar. You know, so now that I know that they have the little precautions, I would just use those precautions. And the snow has just picked up. Crazy, but what I was trying to say was that I enjoy the process of figuring out new cars, and like I said, once I get it, I'll get it. Yeah, these guys are horrible. Street is blocked and they leaving the home for no reason. So, yeah, that was a good experience just to figure it out. I didn't know that you had to take off there's a parking brake supply, something like that. I'm not sure exactly what that was, but I had to take that off. And then it's kind of like a regular brake job after that. And the car has hydraulics and things like that, a bunch of extra stuff. I guess that's good for the ride, but it wasn't that hard. It was just a little bit of learning, and it was tough to learn when it's snowing outside. But can't complain. Got the job done, and we on to the next one. Yeah, man. So that was a 2017 Range Rover. We getting there, man. We getting up there. We moving up in the cars, you know. We started with a Chevy Impala 07, and we started with a Toyota Camry and a 97 and a 03 Ultima, and now we had a 2017, 18 Range Rovers. Yeah, we doing it, man. We doing it. But thanks for watching. Take care. See you on the next one.